You asked for it, so we delivered it. We're gonna start nice and slow, real sexy. Pull it down. Take it to the middle, up. Take it down. Right arm grab. Yes. So sexy. Up. Speed this up. Now you know it. Whoa. Go into the front step. Hey. Switch your shoulder. Good. Look at you. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. How you like that now? Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. How you like that? Elbows. Switch. You're just showing off your new Apple Watch. Hey. I'm right back. Plain Jane get hijacked, don't like me, then tell me how you like that, like that. Pull it! Shine like the stars. You are graceful. You are a K-pop star. Take it to the front. Set. Hey! Shoulder switch. Sit. Make it bigger. Take it up. Look! Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, booty down. How you like that now? Look at you now. Look at you. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. How you like that? Practice take it front, set and step. Watch Haley and Allison because I did it wrong. Take it front, sit. Speed it up. Do it more times. Take it here. Up. Switch. Thanks so much for dancing with us. I hope you like this new K-pop track. Y'all have all been requesting it. Click here for 60-minute sweat sessions with us. We do them every single week and they never expire. You will have so much fun and sweat a lot. Also click right here for Haley and I's new podcast, Coffee with My Ex. Allison was just on an episode, so you can check that out.